to this new course, installation, VPS installation and security guide from A to Z, from beginner to expert. So we will open PuTTY and we will put our address, EP address, which is masked from here. I will put it just here and I will hit open. I will hit accept and I will put my credential, which is this. It is hidden also, and I will put my password and I will hit right click in order to copy it. Very nice. Sudo minus I and I am root for now. I will begin installing our cPanel and whasham. Control C, yum update, go to PuTTY and we will update our dashboard. Click yes and I will update the Almalinux software. We will wait till the update is done. Update is running and after a while it will be done. In this course we will see how to install Almalinux 8 OS, which is already installed from our OVH dashboard. We will see also how to install cPanel, which is this lesson, and we will see also how to install that script, and after that security measures for the server. So the update is done. So we will see by now to install perl. Required package it, Ctrl C, back to PuTTY again, sudo install perl curl. We will provide this documentation, ETS. And after a while the perl packages will be installed to our server. Okay. Back to our file. Perl curl is installed and by now I will hit Ctrl C, cPanel, I will put the domain name. Okay, the hostname is set, and by now I will install the curl of cPanel. I will copy this line, Ctrl C, go to PuTTY and paste it, hit and I will run the script, CentOS latest. By now the cPanel installation is beginning, and after a while it will appear the cPanel interface. It is installing. We will wait for now till the installation is done. cPanel is downloading the essential packages for our installation. It takes some time to be installed till the end, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It is installed till now. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to be done. For time purpose I have paused the video and it is still now after 10 minutes installing the cPanel. It may take 15 minutes. Till now 10 minutes and it counts. So after a while the cPanel is installed. I will go to my dashboard and I will hit cPanel dot our domain name. And the error is here, DNS prompt finished in next domain. How to fix it? I will go to upload in my dashboard and I will fix it as soon as possible with the necessary configuration of DNS. Okay. Or whatever, I will put this IP address, I will put this link in order to get to the point. Yes, it is not secure till now. I will now with this lesson is finish it, and at the next lesson we will install Let's Encrypt and configure our web cloud. Okay, see you in the next lesson.